Okay, so I thought I would start doing example solves, but not just kind of boring example solves with plain comms and stuff. I thought I'd try and show you how I make bad scrambles somewhat decent, or how I try to make bad scrambles somewhat decent. So, anyways, I thought this was a good one to start off, and whenever I encounter a cool scramble or something, I'll save it and then make a video about it later on. So, first things first. Doesn't really matter what of these two corner buffers I go to, they're swapped. And what's more, I notice that they're swapped perfectly, right? So if I switch these two, go here to here, both these corners will be solved. So currently I kind of alternate between UFL and UBR as my next one. I know UBR is probably better, but in this case, I think it's better to start with UFL just because of the solve. So we have this. Not going to do it. If I was doing corner memo, I'm not doing anything with it. I just notice it's there and I can do some sort of parity thing with it. Or if there's no parity, I can force some fast comms. Next, I see here. This goes here, which goes here. That's pretty fast. Then we have here to here to here, which is okay, I guess. But then we're done, because that's the UFL corner. So this ended up being parity. Now, for this case, I usually swap these two. And I notice, again, this is just kind of would be on the fly. This is flip, but in position for the swap. So I'm just going to leave that there for now. So if you go UF buffer, you have here to here to here, and here to here, here to here. Now this is our buffer because we're doing the swap. These two are swapped and flipped and in a good position for a flip. So I'm going to leave it like that. Am I? Actually, no. No, I'm not. Yeah, I am. And then all the rest I have to do is here, here, and here. But instead of just solving these, because this is like a nice case, like it would solve 3 edges with 1 comm. Instead of just solving this, I'm going to force these two to be flipped, because then these two are flipped and these two are flipped, and that's a fast 4 flip. So if you've been following along, it's very, very random, but hopefully execution will make a bit more sense. And I just use kind of like audio and other stuff, nothing special. A lot of visual for this one, but yeah, so there's not much to explain with the memo, so I just won't go into that. So we'll start with some edges. This is what the order I would do in a solve. Now, here goes to here, but we're going to send this over to here, because then this will be flipped, and this will be flipped. And then here, there. Then, I don't know, I guess you could do parity first, doesn't really matter. It's just that, and then J-perm. And then here to here to here, set up to the UFR case. And then this. So that was how I would make that scramble good. Honestly, I'd probably take way too much memo time and screw up the time, but it's a cool solution. I thought I would share it. I hope you guys enjoy.